Hello my dear students, welcome to Chemistry in Minutes. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 4.15. The question is the experimental data for the decomposition of N2O5. The reaction is 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2 in gas phase at 318 Kelvin are given below. The table is made here on the board. In the first row there is time in second, and in second row there is concentration of N2O5. We have to multiply these value by 100 to get the concentration in mole per liters. Now the question is plot N2O5 against T. Second, find the half-life period for the reaction. Third, draw a graph between log of concentration of N2O5 and T. Fourth, what is the rate law? Fifth, calculate the rate constant for the reaction. And sixth, find the half-life period from rate constant and compare it with the rate half-life in second. Now, let's start solving this. So first we have to plot a graph between concentration of N2O5 against T, and to find the concentration of N2O5 we have to multiply these values with 100. So 1.63 into 100 will come as 163. 1.36 into 100 is 136. This will come as 114, 93, 78, 64, 53, 43 and 35. Now we have to plot graph between log of concentration of N2O5. So we have to find those values also. Log of concentration of N2O5. Log of 163 is 2.21. Log of 136 is 2.13. This will come as 2.05. Log of 114. Now log of 93 is 1.97. Log of 78 is 1.89. Log of 64 1.80. Log of 53 1.72. Log of 43 1.63. Log of 35 it is 1.53. So these are the values which we have to plot on the graph. So after this you will be watching the graph of this question. Now on the graph paper we are looking at the graph of exercise question 4.15, that is the graphical solution of exercise question 4.15. In the above graph we have plotted, this graph is plotted between concentration of N2O5 and time. For horizontal axis, the scale has been taken as 1 centimeter equal to 400 second, and for vertical axis it is 1 centimeter equal to 20 mole per liter. As we are seeing that this graph is a non-linear graph. So this is the graphical solution of first part, and in the second part we have been asked for the half-life of the reaction from graph. So half-life is that time period when the concentration of reactants had been reduced to half of their initial concentration. So initial concentration of reactants is 163 and half of it will be 81.5 mole per liter. So the time at this moment is coming as 1440 second. So the half-life of the reaction from graph will be 1440 seconds. Now for the third part we are asked to plot a graph between log concentration of N2O5 and time. So scale here is taken as, for horizontal axis 1 centimeter equal to 400 second, and for vertical axis 1 centimeter equal to 0.5. As we are seeing, this graph is coming as a straight line. This means the reaction is a first order reaction. Now after this we will be moving towards the solution of next parts of this question. The fourth part of this question, which is what is the rate law. So as we have seen in the graph that log of concentration of N2O5 and T that graph is coming as a straight line. So this graph is a straight line for a first order reaction. So this is a first order reaction, and rate law will be written as K concentration of N2O5 and power will be 1. So this will be the rate law. Now the fourth part is rate constant. So fifth part is rate constant. So rate constant of first order reaction. K equal to 2.303 upon T log R naught upon R. R naught is initial concentration and R is final concentration. So if we put the values in this, we will get K equal to 2.303 upon 3200 log R naught. Initial concentration is 1.63 divided by 0.35. On solving this, the value of K will be coming as 4.808 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 second inverse. So this will be the rate constant of the reaction. Now the sixth part, the half-life of the reaction from rate constant. So half-life of first order reaction. T half equal to 0.693 upon K. Let us now put the values. T half equal to 0.693 upon K is 4.808 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So this will be coming as T half equal to 1441.23 seconds. Now this is T half from K, and T half from graph is coming as 1440 seconds. So you can see that the T half in two cases, that is from graph and the value of rate constant, is nearly the same. So this will be the answer to the question.